In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add MACDAS indicators in TradingView Pro in a quick and easy way. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and that you have a chart open for the asset you want to analyze. You can use any market you like. The steps are exactly the same. Once your chart is up on the screen, look toward the top of the interface for the Indicators button. It's usually near the time frames and drawing tools. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This is where you can search for and manage all the tools you'll be adding to your chart. When the Indicators window opens, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click directly on that search box so it's active. This is important because TradingView has a huge library of indicators, and using the search bar is the fastest way to find exactly what you need instead of scrolling through long lists. Now, in that search bar, start typing MACDAS. Type it carefully and give TradingView a second to load the results. As you type, you should see the MACDAS indicator appear in the results list below. Once you see MACDAS, click on it once. TradingView will automatically add it to your chart, usually at the bottom as a separate panel. Take a moment to confirm it's there and that the indicator is displaying properly. After it's added, you'll notice a small settings icon on the MACDAS panel, usually represented by a gear symbol. Move your cursor over the MACDAS indicator area and click on that settings icon. This opens up the options where you can adjust inputs, colors, and overall appearance so it matches your personal style and trading plan. Even if you're using the default settings for now, it's helpful to know where this menu is in case you want to fine-tune things later. If at any point you decide you don't want MACDAS on your chart or you've added it by mistake, you can remove it just as easily. In the same area where you found the settings icon, you'll also see an option to remove the indicator. Click Remove, and the MACDAS panel will disappear from your chart, leaving everything else unchanged. Finally, if you haven't signed up for TradingView Pro yet, and you want to unlock all the features shown in this tutorial, make sure to use the link in my description to sign up. That way, you'll have the full, smooth experience when adding and managing indicators like MACDAS on your charts.